Today is a very exciting day. It has finally arrived after what seems forever. It was actually only a week. But they call it the iPad 4, the fourth generation, the iPad of 2020. It is now 2021 and I think this could still be the best iPad despite there being announcements for the future. And here it is in my very hands. So here I have the iPad 4th generation 256GB Wi-Fi version. Now my favourite colour out of the lineup had to be the sky blue. There wasn't exactly a great choice of option when it came to the colours. Very pale almost. Now in previous versions of the iPad series they had an A12 Bionic chip, but Apple have actually gone the extra mile with this one and placed an A14 Bionic chip. This means that it can perform up to 40% faster than the previous models. So with the cameras there's pros and cons. The pros being it has a 12 megapixel back-facing camera allowing you to record 4K in video. The main problem being the 7 megapixel front-facing camera, which isn't really ideal for FaceTime calls. So as you can see here we've got the iPad Air itself in this very minimal bit of plastic casing. Now with this particular model it has the 10.9 inch Retina display, and we've seen this in Apple's more recent smartphones, especially that very thin border which is just visually pleasing. It comes with Touch ID in the top right corner, which has been built into the power button. It's nice to see we're bringing this security feature back as opposed to the facial recognition. Of course you have your usual box with probably a set of instructions and just general features, and of course the standard Apple stickers. So the cool little accessories that you can add on with this is the Apple Pencil 2nd generation and the Magic Keyboard. Both of these are compatible with the iPad Air and also with the new iPad Pro. So this is the USB-C adapter plug. I have to admit it has got some weight to it and it's a little bit chunkier to the standard USB adapter we got originally. To charge this device you will be using a USB-C lead, which I am so happy to have. It's my favourite port and it means faster connection, faster charging, and allows you to connect things like the camera and video calls. And of course it has Apple's aesthetic, white. If you have any questions regarding this iPad Air 4th generation, then why not let me know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this unboxing and checking out some of the basic features of this iPad Air, then why not give it a like. Now if you enjoy listening to all things tech and filming, then why not head over to the channel and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you in the next one.